I'm giving it a thumbs up for this one. That was a really great thing. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm gonna try something new. I bought myself an endoscope. So why did I buy an endoscope? Yeah, I'm gonna use it for lots of things. You can use checking drain pipes on whatever you like to, but you can also use it for a dirt bike. And I actually have one or maybe two use cases already. This was a pretty affordable endoscope. It is with HD quality, 1080 HD, and the camera cable is 5 meters long, and it comes with some extra parts, which I don't know what it is, and a charging cable, USB-C, and it has lights here. The price was just under $25, and that I can live with if it's nothing I don't need to use. I've not tried it yet, just started it to see so it works, and it really works. So let's see if I can get it on. Yes, I can. And here we can see the light, and I think it is here to, oh, maybe this one is down. Yeah, turn it on, off the string. So what is the first use case for me for this one on a dirt bike? The first is to go in through the airbox and check. Since I have the Smartcarb SC2, I needed to widen the air booth a little bit. And I have never been 100% sure if I have widened it enough. And if it isn't enough, it's not getting enough air, and of course the bike will not run as good as it could do. And I should have done this a long time ago. It's almost 3 years since I installed the Smartcarb. I've taken some photos with the cell phone and so on, but it's not easy to get it in there. So I will try to take a look now. So let's see. Okay, I have secured the endoscope here, the unit, and I have the camera in here in the air boot. So let's see if I can go in. Yeah, here we can see, I don't know if you can see though. Yeah, here we can see this air intake here. And it actually looks like that I did a great job. It is completely free as it should be. Unfortunately, I cannot have any extra free power by fixing that issue. So now we can see that an endoscope can be very, very handy, because I haven't been able to see this one properly before. So I'm giving it a thumbs up for this one. That was a really great thing. Let's see how the zoom is working. Zoom in. Yeah, and it's like 2 times zoom, and it's actually pretty decent quality still. So now I really can see that it is good. The image is upside down because I'm holding the camera upside down. So this is the top of the carburetor, but it looks like it's the bottom. So that was thumbs up for this endoscope, and most likely I have 7 more use cases for it. So that's all I got for this time, and if you found this video useful, please consider giving it a like to make me happy, and thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.